Hi guys! Say hi guys. Hi guys. So we're going to do a mukbang. What are we going to eat?
Mukbang.
Not mukbang. What are you eating right now? Donut. So what? So we're going to eat. Oh, that one. Donut. Yeah, dali. Eat daw. Eat daw. Eat daw. No. Awa. Paduol sa kuan. Let's eat donut. Let's eat donut. You want to, but dungan ta pa. You 1, 2, 3, go. Dungan ta bite. You 1, 2, 3, go.
Uwa pa.
Ay, usap pa. Sige, sige. Swallow. Swallow now. Okay? Okay, dungan ta bite. Stop. Do not hide from the camera. Come here, come here. Sit down, sit down. Wah! Okay. 1. Are you done? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, go. Dance, dance. Yummy? What do you rate the Kuan donut? Wait. 5 out of 10 or 10 out of 10?
5.
5? Why 5? Perfect, perfect. 10? Ah, okay.
5.
Perfect. Do you like donut? Very yummy. Explain the donut. What are you holding? Explain the audience. Now, hi guys. We are eating
We are eating
donut,
donut.
and it's very
It's very
yummy.
donut.
And it's very yummy.
Yummy.
Ah. Nagmukbang may kayo. May kukumenon kayo. May wifi. So delicious, right? Very delicious. Very big bite. Your donut have sugar? Is the sugar yummy? Mga mukbangers, mga ita ba diday? Sit down properly. Here.
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
So we're done eating our donut. I mean, Badiday isn't done eating pa. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up. Up here, up here, up here. Yummy down donut.
Donut.
Second batch ta.
No.
Oh, finish your donut first.
Yes, no.
Finish your donut first. Put it back. Put it back, sir. Okay, you're not done with your donut. Finish your donut first. Bye guys.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Ayan, nagmukbang mi ma. Nagmukbang mi. Nindot kami video dire.
Stoy! Shusho! Ako ni!
Eh.
Yun ako na si Kono.
Clam, ayan clam.